I was looking for how to make $1,000 a day and came across this video, and surprisingly the information in this video is absolutely fake. But you see, in the last 5 months, more than 640,000 people have watched this video and 25,000 people have liked the video. The problem is that you must be thinking this video is great and must be true, but unfortunately it is not. This fake video will waste your time as well as your energy and opportunities. So I'm going to break down this video for you, and at the end I'm also going to show you a couple of ways how you can really make $1,000 a day using Google News. I'm also going to tell you about a software that will speed up the process and turn your work into asset that will generate passive income. First, let's break down this video for you. What they show you is they go to Google News, choose any hot news, find any section or any piece of content from any website, take that content and paste it in a free software called SpinBot. Then they rewrite the content using the spinning method. Then they go to websites like eatingwell.com and submit the content, and they show you that you can earn $1 per word. So if you submit a 1,000 word article, you will earn $1,000 from it. Now let me explain why this process is completely wrong. If you look at the analytics of eatingwell.com, they have 8.37 million visitors per month and ranked 12th in the food and drink, cooking and recipes category. And the global rank is 8,113 among billions of websites. 59% of their visitors come from search engines and 23% are direct visitors who already know them. And these direct visitors visit this website directly because they know this website and enjoy reading their content. So you see, these websites are doing this business for a long time, and they are not stupid. They will never pay for spun content, which is basically unreadable garbage content. They will never allow low quality content that will hurt their reputation. Apart from that, the website that pays $1 per word, that is $500 for 500 words or $1,000 for 1,000 words and so on, will definitely have the technology to check the quality of the content before accepting. So trying these type of shady techniques will not only waste your time but will also distract you from what you should actually be doing to build a solid business that will generate passive income in the long run. So what I am trying to prove is you can make $1,000 per day with Google News. Yes, of course you can, but instead of spinning your wheels and creating ugly, useless content that is sure to get rejected, focus on two things. One, creating great content using one of the three methods I'm about to share with you, and two, finding places or platforms where you can make money immediately and build your business for the long term. So let's go over how you are going to create content. There are three different ways. First, you can create content yourself. This is probably the most time-consuming process. If you love writing, then it's easy for you. If you don't love writing, you either have to practice or use any of the next two methods. The second method is find someone to write for you at a cheaper rate. You can hire journalists, you can hire journalism or literature students, or anyone who is interested in writing. Hire them as interns, and if you see that they are producing good content, you can hire them full-time. But the problem with this method is that you need to invest a little to pay them for the content at the beginning. And the third option is to use AI or artificial intelligence software that create great content for you. I will link one of those softwares in the description. This way, you do not have to steal content from other websites. Instead, you can take an idea and let the AI write it for you. And then you can either use the same AI generated content as your own content, or you can hire someone for final touch and turn it into a professional, highest quality content and then sell it to websites that pay for content. There are many websites that will pay you for content. Maybe not $1 per word, hard, but they will pay you decent amount for content. But hey, let us say you want to make money today, so you need to sell your content and make money right now. Go ahead and give it a shot. If you can sell it, good for you. If you can't, use it for yourself. But how are you going to use these contents efficiently? Use the content multiplier formula for that. The content multiplier formula is pretty simple. You can watch the video made by Joey Ragona on YouTube or buy the book Content Multiplier Formula written by Peng Joon. This book is free. You just have to pay for shipping. If you do not want to read the book, that's fine too. There are so many videos, articles, and ebooks that you will find to help you understand what the content multiplier formula is. The content multiplier formula is basically about taking one piece of content and using it in multiple different channels to gain visitors, followers, subscribers, and eventually sales. To be very honest, you will not make $1,000 overnight with the content multiplier formula, but it will create a compound effect that will make you thousands of dollars over time. This is the most ethical, proven, and passive way to build a business and make $1,000 a day or even far more from a place like Google News. So why will you choose Google News? Because Google News will give you the latest information, the most up-to-date news from which you can take ideas and build your business based on content. That's all from my side. Now it's your time to try. Did you like this video? Please like it if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I will see you in the next video.